vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gaylord, Vanderbilt, Spar, Eastern Corliss Township, and Pickle Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rain is occurring with this storm.